1,380 square meters. Lot for sale. Walking distance to the white sand beaches in Anda, Bohol. So this is located in Barangay Birhen, Anda, Bohol. So along concrete road. The price is 3,500 pesos per square meter. And beside of a future resort. So, katabi lang sa resort guys. Katabi lang talaga. So, malapit nang matapos yung resort. At katabi lang yung property na binibinta natin na walking distance to the sea or to the white sand beaches. So, the size is 1,380 square meters at 3,500 pesos per square meter. And this is the access road going to the beach. So I think it is around 4 meters wide. Then you can walk to the white sand beach. So maganda talaga guys, more or less nasa 200 meters away from this white sand beach. So kung bibilihin natin yon, pwede natin gawin ng villa or lodging house para sa mga kasi kadalasan dyan guys, mga pumupunta lang dyan at saka maligo. So maraming pumupunta dyan. May mag-diving, iba-ibang klase. So itong property natin ay maganda, super ganda. Kasi walking distance lang. So pwede natin gawin ng parang diving spot or diving what you call that, diving camp. Pwede. So doon tayo mag-start. At ito po, napakalinaw ng tubig. Ang ganda talaga ng white sand beaches in Anda, Bohol. So see, super ganda guys. It is facing Mindanao Sea, Secure Island. So kaya pala maganda ang mga beach din doon. Pero wag na tayong pumunta doon. Nandito tayo sa Bohol. Ito ang pinakamaganda guys. Super. Naka-helmet pa tayo kasi nagmumotor tayo guys. Okay. So I repeat, the size is 1,380 square meters for 3,500 pesos per square meter, located in Barangay Birhen, Anda, Bohol. So white sand, super white sand guys. Grabe. See. Then may mga fresh fish pa dyan guys, mga galing sa fishermen. Maganda at super fresh. So pwede ka bumili directly. Okay, maganda talaga. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. I repeat, 1,380 square meters for 3,500 pesos per square meter, walking distance to the white sand beaches in Anda, Bohol.